Imagine a glowing orb of light floating silently through the air. This isn't science fiction. It's a real rare phenomenon called ball lightning. Unlike regular lightning, it can appear indoors, sometimes even passing through walls or windows. Eyewitness accounts describe these spheres ranging from golf ball to basketball size. Their colors vary wildly: red, orange, yellow, blue, even white. Some reports claim they make hissing or crackling sounds, while others describe total silence. Scientists still don't fully understand what causes ball lightning, making it one of nature's great mysteries. Theories range from superheated plasma to oxidized silicon vapors from regular lightning strikes. Despite its elusive nature, ball lightning has been observed for centuries, fascinating observers worldwide. It usually dissipates harmlessly, but some instances end with a loud bang, leaving a sulfuric odor.